Good afternoon. I just wanted to summarize what we're going to be doing this week. The first thing is the student survey. Please make sure you go through this. This will assess my abilities as well as suggest any improvements for the course. These are confidential about who is submitting them. I will be able to see the responses, but this is a good way to get your feedback to the college as well as myself. Week 7, welcome. We are close to the end. So, week 7, the first discussion, or the first thing is the discussion. You're going to take a look at the OIG compliance resource portal. It's asking you to identify a good resource that you can use in your future. Whatever you do use, whatever tool you can use, whatever you want within this website, just make sure that you are summarizing it and you're explaining why it would be beneficial to coding and how you're going to be able to incorporate this in your future. The next thing is the chapter coding practice. You should be able to find this in your e-text. There's no like link for that this week. You'll just go directly to your e-text and find it. The next thing is the HCPCS coding practice, and that's just a continuation of what we've already been doing throughout the course. And then the last thing, probably the thing that's going to take majority of your time this week is your compliance training plan. This is where we're going to use the resources that you submitted last week, and you're going to make a memo making sure that you address these 4 activities, A through D, as well as creating a 12-month calendar of educational activities. The one thing I want to say about this assignment is just to make sure if you are paraphrasing or taking, even summarizing an article, make sure that you're using citations when you're paraphrasing, or if you're using words from a sentence, maybe you're not using a complete sentence, but you're taking part of the sentence and making it your own. That's still considered paraphrasing. Or even if you're taking full sentences, then that's considered um, something that you would have to use in text citations for. If you're not familiar with APA formatting, we should be at this point into our schoolwork. But go out to student resources and go to creating APA citations. There's also some tools out here that will explain how to structure your work depending on how you're using your resources. So if you have any questions, let me know. We will continue to have a live session this Thursday because I did have 2 participants last week, so that's enough to keep them going. If you have any questions or you need to set up one-on-one time, just let me know. Thanks.